In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Eritrea with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account. If you have not signed in yet, go ahead and log in so you can access the transfer options. Once you are inside the app or website, look at the country shown at the top of the screen. Click on it and select Eritrea. This step is important because it makes sure your transfer is set up for the correct destination and shows the options available for sending money there. After selecting Eritrea, click Send Money. This will take you into the transfer setup process. From here, you may be asked to choose who you are sending money to. If the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, simply click on that contact to continue. This can save time and helps avoid typing the same details again. If the person is not already saved, click New Contact. Then select their country and begin entering the requested recipient information. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered correctly, since even small mistakes can delay the transfer or cause problems with delivery. Double-check spellings and any required account or recipient details before moving forward. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, Remitly will usually show you the amount the recipient is expected to receive, along with any fees or exchange rate information. This is helpful because you can review the total cost before confirming anything. If needed, adjust the amount until you are comfortable with the final transfer details. Once the amount is set, select the delivery method. The options available may depend on the destination and the recipient's setup, so choose the one that matches how your recipient should receive the money. After that, select your payment method. This is how you will pay for the transfer, so choose the option that works best for you. Then click Continue. At this stage, you will need to enter the recipient's account details if required, and then follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the transfer. Read each page carefully before submitting so you can catch any errors before the money is sent. And that's it. As long as you follow each screen closely and review the details before confirming, sending money to Eritrea with Remitly is a straightforward process.